Morning to winter storm Toby, March 2018, and it's still pouring. So far is about 4-5 inches. Look at all the snow. Oh my goodness, so beautiful though. Supposed to be second day of spring. Supposed to be second day of spring, guys. This welcomes winter again.
Hi.
Hi, we're making snowman. Get enough snow to make snowman. And it's still pouring out there. Still pouring down. How many inches do you think I can get?
7.
7? Hey, little lady coming out. Go ahead.
Ta-da! Look what we snowman.
Tiny snowman.
Look at the ruler.
Hi, Mela. Turn around. Say hi.
This is the ruler.
Hi.
Are we gonna measure?
Winter storm, Toby.
Ooh, 4 inches.
Can you go over there?
I'm gonna jump.
Guys, go walk over there. Whoa.
Snow angel?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
I'm scared.
Go ahead, lie down. Make sure you pull down your jacket so you won't get snow inside.
Oh God!
It hurt. Is it hard or soft?
The snow is sprinkling by my face.
Go to your snow angel. Mela, go toward the brother. Mela, go walk over there. What's wrong? Hi, enjoying the snowstorm. Toby.
Hey, this one. Neil destroyed my
Oh
snowman.
no. Make another one. Alright, we're gonna go check back later and see if there's snow coming in. Go ahead, make snow angel. Snow angels. Snow angels. So beautiful snow
I just want to be buried.
in snow. You okay, Mela? Alright, oh no. Hi, cutie. We have no school today. No daytime. Is it heavy? Alright, bye. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Mela.
Bye.
Bye. Gonna have fun now with the snow. See you later. Look at that. It's not powdery no more. What are you making, Mela? Making snowman? Eat.
It's yum.
You eating snow? Hi.
It's on my nose.
Hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, don't throw snow at me. No, 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 no.